Hello everybody, so this is a quick update video on my water memory cleaning device, and what you see here is an improved version of the last that you saw. So I've made it a bit bigger, and as you can see here, this is the old device. It's smaller, and the funnel on the side is also smaller, and yeah, this is just a much more usable device in practical use, works much better. And also I've changed the orientation of the inlet, so it's coming in a clockwise direction now compared to the other one where it came from the left side, so it made a counterclockwise rotation. But since I'm living in the northern hemisphere, clockwise rotation of the water vortex obviously makes more sense. So just to notice for you, if you live in the southern hemisphere of the planet, mirror the print so you get a counterclockwise rotation. And yeah, besides that, it is still the same or the same principle as before. As you can see, we fill in water here on this funnel, then it comes down here in a vortex-like movement in this bigger funnel, and as you can see, the center is just air. There is no water in the center of it. You can see straight through this vortex, and yeah, it's coming out down here. It's just emptied out so you can see it from here, and right around the center where the water vortex flows through, there is a circular magnet array. I've showed you this in my earlier videos if you want to know what kind of array this is. Yeah, so anyways, this is just a quick update video because lots of people were already printing the earlier version. Let me turn off the water quick. And yeah, this version works much better than this one. So yeah, the 3D printing files are of course attached in the video description. I won't make a longer video today or in general in the next time because yeah, I'm currently not in the mood of making videos for reasons, but anyways, in the future there will be more. So thanks for being patient, and goodbye.